What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lil Roy TV. We back with another video. I don't know what's good with y'all, but the views been slacking. I mean, not really, I guess, whatever. It's just been at a steady pace. So if you're watching this right now, make sure you subscribe and share the videos to make sure we get more subs on the squad. Based off the title, you know, we'll be going over the Nike BLAZER mid ready-made white version. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Okay, I'm back. So like I was saying, just real quick, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As soon as we hit 1K, you know we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. And like this video, comment. You know I respond to all my comments. So make sure you comment, let me know what you think about these shoes. So let's get right into it. So first up, before I show you the shoes, let me close it back up. Definitely what I could say about these Nike BLAZER mids is that the box is super different, creative. You got like a gray, black, white, chalkboard type of color. You got the ready-made and designs Nike there. No public use right there. I think that's ready-made, or yeah, I think. And then got like a different font as well, ready-made. This was a size 10.5 as well, so you can see it right there, 10.5 ready-made. So the box is definitely creative and definitely different. So let's get into the shoes. Let me put it on my little stand so we can be a little higher up. This is the paper it comes with. It's like some different type of paper, you guys can see. So let's get right into it. Let me check them out. Oh yeah, and it also comes with orange laces, so that could be something different if you want to, you know, put your shoes in there. We'll just take it out. I'm gonna take out both pairs. These are definitely not a personal, and this definitely isn't mine's. So shout out to my boy for letting me see these so I could do a review for the channel for you guys. So orange laces. This is how it looks. Definitely not my style type of shoe, but it's super different. Super different. Of course, I went for these in the sneakers app, but I failed in the raffles. Everything failed. But they're so different. So this is how it looks. First review right here on the channel. Wow, you gotta definitely be a creative soul, because this look like sweatpants, you know, when it gets dirty and ashy, your sweatpants pockets, like after you wear your sweatpants for mad long. That material, this is like a Converse to me, but it's super different. You got the patches, super different. You know what I'm saying? Super different. I don't even know how you would tie this with all this extra stuff onto it. But yeah, the Nike BLAZER mid, got the ready-made on the back. This is definitely like a Converse to me. 10.5. A lot of like featheries. But let me know what you guys think about this. Definitely the bottom is what really drives me. It's like party mix into like cement, because look at that. Definitely different. So this is, you know, the reason why I say it's like a Converse, because, you know, Converse has the chunky top, but as well as a BLAZER. But definitely a creative shoe. So shout out to my boy for plugging it in so I can show you guys as well. Definitely smells different than normal shoes, because I guess the material they used on these is definitely way too different. But it says Nike RE right there on the tongue, so you guys can see that. Let me know if in the comments, would you prefer these as a personal, or would you prefer the black ones? I know everyone got different mixed reviews based off the people that's gonna watch this video. Obviously, you're watching this because you want to see it on my channel, as well as you're a fan of these and you just want to see it. So like I said, I have these creative like things, I don't know what you call those, but then you got the little grayish shoelace that's right there, so that's there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these as well as I'm reviewing them. So you got the heel. It feels like a gym bag material right there. It's not like a suede thing, it's like a gym bag material, but it's definitely something I would never wear for myself. I know I got some style, but geez, if I had money and I had hype, I wouldn't wear these. I don't like blazers too much. The only blazer I ever considered to get for personal was the purple and white one, just because I like purple. Yeah, so I don't know, would you guys like it with the orange laces, or would you prefer leaving it black and gray and white and all that stuff? Definitely a creative shoe, got so many different styles and all that. But yeah, let's do the thumbnail. Fix my hoodie. Boom. So that's the thumbnail, as I always do. Yeah, this is how it looks. There's not much to really say. That's the top. That's the bottom again, the back. And yeah, a quick little review. Let me know what you guys think of this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like I always say. As soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So comment, I respond to all my comments. And like the video and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next vid. We got a banger again for the channel. Trust me, you want to watch the next video, as well as these videos and my previous videos. So go watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys on the next vid. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep rocking in the free world. Let me do my little outro. Y'all know what's up.